Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here's the tour of the Vintage Coach Rambler bag. I believe this bag was likely made sometime in the late 80s, but I'm not exactly sure which year it would have been made, but that would be my guess. It was made in the US and I believe the style number was 9735, and as you can see, it is the color black. So here is a close-up of the bag. Here's this side, and as you can see, it comes with the matching hang tag. It's a one-sided hang tag, so the back has this nice suede texture, and then the front has the Coach stamp on it. And then here's the back of the bag. There's no back pocket on this one, it's just a straight across back seam. And then here's the other side, and then here's the front again, and it does come with a shoulder strap. And then when we open the bag, it has an interior pocket, a gusseted pocket here in the front. And then I have it stuffed with tissue paper, but this is to kind of give you an idea of the size of the interior, how much it could fit. So it's a pretty roomy bag, I would say. It's probably on the medium to large size. And then here's a photo of the crease, so you can see that the bag is in fact authentic. So yeah, that's the original Rambler bag. It's a very cute design in my opinion. I really like it, and I would say that it's probably more of a rare find, as there doesn't seem to be a ton of these out on the market. So yeah, this is a really nice bag. So as always, I will link it below in our Etsy shop if you wanted to look at it further, but otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.